washing machine I've ever bought. Just finished. Here we go. Woo-hoo. This is my very, very first load of laundry. And my very first that I've ever purchased. It actually looks like a really nice wheel on a car, a really nice rim. Looks like a really nice rim. Yay for clean towels! This is my first time in so long. Well, my first time ever having my own washing machine, buying one, and really even having one like, I'm trying to think like, last time I had one like in a place actually like of my own too, you know what I mean? It was always where I had to go, like an apartment where you gotta go pay, the coin operated or the card operated, and it was my very first I've ever bought. And these are my clean towels. Yes, it's been so long. We haven't been able to do laundry. We had to go to like the laundromat and stuff.